guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I'm going to do a really quick review on this wig that I got from Unice Hair. I do see a lot of other more popular YouTubers doing reviews on these wigs. So I saw this wig on the website and I decided to try it. I do have tons of lace front wigs, but I really don't have time to do that anymore. Especially since becoming a mother, I just don't have time to try to play with the lace before I get ready for work in the morning. And I also feel like my hairline still hasn't recovered from postpartum shedding. So I just kind of want to leave my hairline a little bit more free. So hopefully this is what I'm looking for. To get the wig here, I have it on a wig head. Alright, I am working with a very small amount of space, so I hope you can see this. It's the V part, like I said, and this is the Unice glueless V part, 0 skills needed, beginner friendly, no leave out wig, and that is exactly what I needed. I literally need to be able to put it on and go if I'm going to wear a wig. Most of the time I don't wear wigs to work because it's just too much of a hassle. I ordered it in 16 inches and this is 150% density. So this is in its natural state. I just took it out of the bag. I did notice a somewhat chemical smell to it. But I'm obviously going to wash that out. So I'm going to try it on now, so I'll come back after I try it on for you guys. So I'm ready to try this wig on. I'm going to show you the cap construction before I put it on. So where the part is, there are 2 combs here and 2 combs here. I'm hoping that I won't have to use them because combs are damaging to your hair and I don't need any more damage. Sorry, these are clips, not combs. There are 2 combs on the side and there's a comb in the back, and then it's also adjustable here in the back. So I'm gonna use my mirror to put this on. I'm probably gonna have to slide this back. And I don't have a middle part, so I'm hoping this won't look too funky with the side part. Let's see. So it fits really nice. It actually feels very soft. So let me see how I want this. Go ahead and put it there, and then put it like that. And to me, I would not agree that this is 0 leave out. You need leave out or else it looks funny. Like, you can see, I don't know. I'm pretty sure that I ordered this 0 leave out version, and I'm hoping this was a mistake here, and this is not the 0 leave out version of this. Because, I mean, I like how the hair looks, and once I was going to like spray it with water and stuff, I thought this was gonna be a just grab it and go type of situation, but it's not. And this hair, my hair would not blend with this wig, like in any way, shape, or form. I have 4C hair that is a different color, so I am a little bit disappointed by this. So I'm gonna take it out and show you guys again. Unless I am supposed to cut this part and then like fluff up the hair, I can try that as well. I can try to fluff the hair up and see if it hides that lace part right there. But this, I don't even know if you guys can see it. Please excuse my nails. I need to soak them off. This, you need leave out. Okay, so I'm going to try to fluff up the part and see if that will hide it. And put this farther back. I did bring a comb. So I feel like this side is somewhat concealed. So let me try to fix this side here. This side is exposing everything. Or maybe my braids are like too flat. That could be it too. Why does this side look good but this side doesn't? What am I doing? And guys, I am a beginner here, so I suppose instead of roasting me in the comments, just give me some tips. Because I must be doing something wrong here on this side, but this side looks good. Okay, maybe now since I've left it up. Is that better? Honestly, not really. This side looks good. This side does not. Okay, so I will come back then at a later time once I figure this out. But I like the hair. I like the length. I just gotta figure out this part that's supposedly no fuss. Okay, I'll come back. Okay, so this is the hair after I wet it and put some leave-in conditioner in it. So I really love the hair. It feels really good. And for me, at least right now, it's providing minimal shedding. So this is the part, this is what I came up with. Like I said below, if you think of something else in the comments, please comment that down below. From the videos that I watched, people were teasing their actual like hair in the braids to blend it, but I'm trying to keep my hair healthy and protected, so I don't feel comfortable trying to tease hair like out of my braids to try to blend this in. So what I did was I took hair from back here and just pulled it forward and just covered the part. And to me, it looks pretty decent. I feel like you wouldn't be able to tell that I did that unless you were like really close to me or all up in my, you know, my personal space. But we are social distancing, wearing masks and stuff, so people should not be that close to me to be able to tell what I did. So this is it, and I really like it. So just tell me what you guys think, and like I said, some suggestions on how else to hide this part would be greatly appreciated. But in terms of the hair is great. I will most likely do an update in a few weeks, so if you want to watch that, please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. I will talk to you guys later. Bye!